parents and caregivers. My name is Sidney, and welcome to another Talking Thursday. Today, we will be cooking or baking something together. Cooking together is a great way to model language by following directions, teaching concepts, and discussing new actions. Watch as I highlight important words while baking banana bread. Try making something with your child this week, and remember to model those key words while you're at it. Hi everyone! Welcome to my kitchen. Today on Talking Thursdays, we're going to make something yummy. What should I make? Let's have a look at the things that I have here. I see some bananas. Let's make banana bread. I have my directions right here in front of me. You can follow along and watch me make banana bread, but then try something that you can make at home by following your own directions and making your own yummy treat. Let's take a look at our schedule. First, I have to find my ingredients. Then I have to make the bread. After that, I have to cook the bread. And then I can eat the bread. So our first thing to do was to find our ingredients. And I found mine here. We have flour, sugar, butter, 2 eggs, baking soda, vanilla, and what are we missing? Bananas! Our next thing to do is to make the banana bread. I'm going to follow my directions and make the bread. First, I have to cut the butter. Cut the butter. We have to measure the sugar. Measure the sugar. Wow, that is a lot of sugar. I put my sugar and my butter in the bowl. Now I have to stir. Stir the sugar and butter. Next, I have to add 2 eggs. 1, 2. 2 eggs are in the bowl. Next, I have to add my bananas. I'm going to peel the banana. Peel the banana. All right, my bananas and eggs are in the bowl. Next, I have to mash. Mash the bananas. Mash. Wow, we mashed the bananas. Next, I have to sift. I have to sift the flour. I am sifting the flour. Now we just need a little bit of baking soda. And the very last thing on my directions is a little bit of vanilla. Just a little bit. Okay, everyone, we have all of our ingredients in the bowl. Now we just need to stir. Stir up the batter. I'm stirring the batter. Don't forget to scrape the sides. Great work, everyone. Now that we have found our ingredients and made our banana bread, we now have to cook our banana bread. But first, we have to pour the batter into a pan. I'm pouring the batter into the pan. Pour. Okay, everyone, our bread is ready to go in the oven. I had to put my banana bread in the oven for 1 hour. That's a long time. I have to wait for the banana bread to be done before I can eat it. We found our ingredients, made the banana bread, and cooked the banana bread. The only thing left to do is to eat the banana bread. Well, thanks everybody for helping me make banana bread today. I hope you had fun, and I hope that you try to make something at home this week. What will it be? Make sure you have the help of an adult, and make sure that you or the adult is talking lots about the different things that you do while you bake. See you next time.